The most reliable vehicle you can buy in the UK right now costs less than a single new car payment. Imagine spending £45,000 on a shiny new SUV just to watch it break down in the first week. It happens every day because big car companies build new cars with too many computers that break easily. But you can beat their system. Smart buyers in the UK are picking up older, tough SUVs that refuse to die. Today we reveal 5 cheap SUVs under £5,000 that will save your wallet. But if you make one maintenance mistake, you will ruin them instantly. Our first vehicle is the SsangYong Rexton. On UK car lots, people ignore this machine because it looks like a boring metal box. But that is exactly why it is brilliant. When you strip away the badge snobbery, you realize this SUV is an incredibly honest workhorse. There is a myth that it uses a complete Mercedes gearbox, but that is not true. It actually features a licensed Mercedes engine design paired with a heavy-duty Australian or Japanese transmission system. This thick steel setup gives you a massive 3,200 kilogram towing beast. But if you forget to change the transmission fluid and filter every 40,000 miles, the internal parts will burn out, leaving you with a scary repair bill. Most modern crossovers use weak frames and cheap electronic sensors that constantly fail. The Rexton sidesteps this mess by using thick steel beams and simple mechanical components you can fix with a normal wrench. It does not require a dealer's laptop to diagnose problems. It was built to withstand harsh conditions, allowing it to easily outlast fragile new cars. Our next bargain is the Suzuki Grand Vitara. You can buy a great one on British forecourts for less than £3,000, which is less than the cost of a fancy family holiday. For that tiny price, you get a compact family car that hides a serious secret. A heavy-duty four-wheel drive system usually reserved for massive, expensive luxury trucks. It boasts a mechanical torsion center differential, a lockable center casing, and a genuine low-range transfer case for climbing over rocks and mud. To stay safe and protect your wallet, you must choose the 2.4-liter petrol engine. You must absolutely avoid the tempting Renault-sourced 1.9-liter diesel model. While that diesel looks attractive for its good fuel economy, its exhaust filters constantly clog during short UK supermarket trips, and its water pumps are known to fail early, which can instantly destroy the engine. Long-term reliability data show that the petrol version passes its yearly safety tests with flying colors, easily beating expensive German brands. But the Grand Vitara hides a dangerous structural enemy. Before you hand over any cash, you must get down on your knees and inspect the underbody and rear wheel arches for hidden rust damage. If you do not check for rust, the frame can rot away until it snaps, turning your bargain SUV into worthless scrap metal. Suzuki built this vehicle for emerging global markets where a car breakdown isn't just annoying, it is a risk to your survival. They took tough truck parts and stuffed them into a cheap family hatchback, which is why it treats city potholes like an easy playground and routinely racks up 200,000 miles on basic maintenance. Our third car is the Honda CR-V Mk2, built between 2001 and 2006. It looks totally boring and ordinary, but that quiet style hides a legendary mechanical masterpiece. These compact SUVs have routinely sailed through their yearly UK vehicle road tests for 10 years straight without a single major mechanical breakdown. The secret foundation is Honda's bulletproof K-Series 2-liter petrol engine. This engine uses super strong internal parts adapted from Honda's world-class motorcycle division, where engines are built to spin incredibly fast without braking. You can find clean, working models all over the UK for under £2,500, and almost 90% of them pass their safety inspections on the very first try every single year. This incredible reliability is exactly why private hire taxi drivers absolutely swear by them. Our fourth SUV is the famous Mitsubishi Shogun. This big, heavy beast is legendary because it carries actual racing DNA forged in the world's most unforgiving environments. The Shogun won the brutal Dakar Desert Rally 12 times, more than any other production vehicle in history. It features the famous Super Select four-wheel drive system, which lets you switch between rear-wheel drive for fuel economy and locked four-wheel drive for fast, high-speed travel. Most modern crossovers with electronic all-wheel drive cannot do this without overheating their clutches and shutting down. You can grab a piece of this incredible racing history for between 2,500 and 5,000 pounds. Well-maintained examples easily pass 200,000 miles without any major engine trouble. However, you must be careful with diesel models because the heavy-duty clutch parts can fail around 110,000 miles, leaving you with a steep repair bill. You also need to look closely at the fuel filler neck and rear cross members, as they love to trap wet mud and rust if driven near coastal areas. Normal cars are engineered for smooth asphalt and nice weather, but the Shogun was built to survive blistering desert heat and rough rocks that would snap ordinary car suspensions right in half. Its classic body-on-frame design provides a solid, rigid connection that eliminates body flex. It does not need factory-specific diagnostic software when something goes wrong. It just needs basic greasing to run for decades. Our final winner is the luxury Lexus RX300. You can easily find these on the UK market for between 2,000 and 5,000 pounds. For that bargain price, you get a premium 3-liter V6 petrol engine that has been documented in global owner records to have surpassed an unbelievable 500,000 miles. It provides a whisper-quiet, cloud-like luxury ride with leather seats for the exact same price as a broken-down super mini hatchback. Even better, if you step up to the slightly later RX400H hybrid version, you get full London ULEZ compliance and fantastic fuel economy, completely skipping daily city emissions penalties and saving you thousands of pounds. Maintenance is completely honest and predictable, requiring only a standard engine belt change every 90,000 miles. It easily outlasts its newer, overcomplicated luxury replacements because of a deliberate choice made by Toyota 30 years ago. Toyota decided to build luxury vehicles using better materials and tighter assembly tolerances than their European rivals, just to prove they were the best in the world. 30 years later, it still boasts an incredibly long-term safety record, making it the ultimate gold standard for used luxury SUVs. All 5 of these hidden gems share one big secret. They were all engineered and built before car companies decided to trade mechanical strength for massive corporate profits. While these cheap, unkillable workhorses just keep rolling down country lanes. The oldest, simplest cars are outlasting the newest ones. And that paradox changes everything about how you should spend your money. Stop letting expensive new car payments drain your finances. Prioritize vehicles with mechanical longevity. Your best financial move is to opt for proven used models that cost less than one new car payment. Check these 5 out on AutoTrader, verify service records, inspect for rust, and enjoy a car that can last another decade. Which of these tough SUVs would you choose? Share your pick in the comments, help a friend avoid a bad investment, and subscribe for more practical car advice. Tips.